It's all right. It's all right. Let it out. Thursday night. It's okay. It's okay. It's over there. Curious, if this is your first Velcro Pygmy rodeo, where anybody first timers? Really? Wow. Oh shit. Okay. Good. So we got a few first timers here with us that you've either stumbled in or a friend brought you or whatever. A lot of times, people they just get tired of saying no thank you, and then they finally just go. They're like, you know what? I'll go see this stupid band you keep talking about. And if you have been brought here by a friend, then that is a